Match the equipment with its shadow. Firefighting helicopter. Fire truck. Lifeboat. Police car. Ambulance. Done. Let us repair. Ambulance. Fire truck. Firefighting helicopter. Police car. Let us repair. Put the people of different professions into the right transport. APC driver. Lifeguard. Tractor driver. Keep it up. Choose a road for the crane to get to the construction site. Drag the crane onto the... Try again. Drag the crane. This seems to be a wrong... Drag the crane. Crane. Let's help the fire truck find the way to the fire station. Drag the fire truck onto the correct... Try another... Drag the fire... It looks like the... Drag the fire truck. Choose a way for the ambulance to get to the hospital. Drag the ambulance onto the correct road. Ambulance. Hooray, you've got a new block. Let's install it right now. Tap the block to install it. Hooray! Choose fuel cars. First, we have to fill it. Ambulance. Drag the card onto the gas station to pay for the... Drag the refueling gun to the tank, open it. Tap on the gas station to fuel the vehicle. Drag the bucket with the mop onto the glass to wash it clean. Drag the pump to the flat tire to inflate it. Drag the air freshener into the cabin of the vehicle. Keep it up. Choose the next vehicle. Fuel cars. Wash cars. Fuel cars. Wash cars. Now we need to wash it clean. Ambulance. Drag the blower along the dirt to blow it off. Now drag the sponge along the vehicle to soap it up. Drag the roller along the vehicle to remove the foam. Hooray! You've got a new block. Let's install it right now. Tap the block to install it. Now let's wash the rest of the foam with water. Drag the hose along the vehicle. Great! Move the cloth along the vehicle to wipe it. You're doing really great. Choose the next vehicle. Now we need to wash it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Wash cars.
H, I, J,
Assemble cars.
K, L, M, N,
Do a puzzle.
Q,
Do
R,
a puzzle.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Ambulance. Choose the next vehicle. Fuel cars. Assemble cars. Let's learn the construction of an ambulance and assemble it. First, let's install a frame. This is the basic part of a car. The frame carries all the other parts. Now let's install wheels. A car needs rolling wheels to move on the road. And now we need to install brakes. Brakes are needed to slow a car down or stop it. Now let's install suspension. Suspension keeps the car from shaking while driving. Let's install an engine and a battery. The engine makes the wheels turn so the car can move, and the battery helps start the engine and provides power for headlights, controls, and other systems. Now let's install a fuel tank. The fuel tank contains gasoline or other fuel. Let's install an interior of the car. This is the main interior space of the car to accommodate passengers and a driver. These are the controls of a car. They include a steering wheel, pedals, a gearbox, and a dashboard. Let's install them. All these things are necessary for a driver to control the car. Now let's install some special equipment. The special ambulance equipment consists of an electrocardiography system, defibrillator, ventilator, and other medical devices. This is a first aid kit. Let's put it in its place. The first aid kit contains all the necessary medicines, tools, and instruments for first aid. Let's put a stretcher. The ambulance stretcher is designed to carry patients. And now we need to install a body. Body is the exterior part of the car, which is attached to the frame. Install the headlights. The lights illuminate a road in the dark. There are also special lights that show the turn direction of the car. When the lights are turned on, other drivers can see the car in the dark. It's a flasher, but its correct name is emergency lighting. Let's install it. Emergency lighting attracts attention and shows other drivers that they must give the way to such a car. Ready. Don't stop. Choose the next vehicle. Assemble cars.